Now let's sing the hello song. Let's sing. Now it's time to wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Now it's time to wave hello, hello to Kayla. Can you wave hi? Show me hi. We like ourselves in the video, huh? You can say hi. Hi. Hello. He's silly. He's silly. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want to play ball? Again? You want to sing Ring Around the Rosies? Okay. Let's hold hands. Good saying again. Ring around the rosies, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. The tunnel? Down. The tunnel and the tank? Down. Again? Wow, again. Let's do it. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Fall down. You too. Fall down. Down. Good job. Again? Again. Let's do it. Hands. Hands. Good job. Ring around the rosies, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Go down. Down. Good job. Again. Again.
Visit my website and check out all my free resources. Also, follow Walkie Talkie Speech Therapy on social media so you never miss out on something new from us. Thanks, like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.